LG brought their home products and solutions to IFA 2024, ranging from all kinds of wellness products for all kinds of families, plenty of entertainment options that happen to look pretty great even when not in use, and the intelligent way to put it all together to make sure that life's not only connected, but also that life's good. Hey, it's Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? I'm officially back from IFA 2024, and I want to talk about my experience at the show floor with LG, who are also the sponsor of this video. LG invited me to see their innovations in smart home and beyond, while also seeing an old friend in the form of their looker of a tiny projector. LG's booth had some prime positioning in the Messe Berlin, being one of the first rooms going in either direction of the north entrance. And true to form, LG starts things off with a lovely show of their display technology with this atrium made entirely of their screens. But while this display would have you believe their monitors, TVs, and even laptops would be the ones taking center stage at IFA, going into the actual booth showed a much more grounded and literally homey vibe. Demos during the day were happening in multiple sections of the LG booth, from kitchen demos that showed off connected ovens and stoves, to living room installations that rocked plenty more smart home products. The cooking demo showed off fridges with cameras to give people a look into what ingredients they could use for dinner, as well as ovens with cameras so that the home chefs can keep an eye on their entrees. Smart speakers also adorned the kitchen counter, ready to be asked questions about recipes or to control any of the appliances supporting the cooking process. Air purifiers were also aplenty no matter where I went, and LG's approach to these items was to merge them with as many different, just normal household items as possible. Some doubled as oscillating fans, others doubled as tables, and then there was one that worked as a cat tower. Yeah, you heard that right. This hypothetical family in this section had quite the spoiled cat that could use a regular cat tower or jump atop what was called the LG AeroCat, which senses temperature and humidity while also triggering a heated cat bed on top of it when the weight sensors notice that the pet is nestled atop it. That weight sensor can also tell you the actual weight of your feline friend, which could be useful if you're monitoring its health alongside your own. And all of this came together with AI assistance, through which LG is taking that acronym and calling it Affectionate Intelligence. The point here being that through the smart technologies that can adapt to everyday scenarios, the people and pets in your life are kept healthy and happy. Smart vacuums keep things clean, cat bed purifiers help you breathe easier, and an actual moving AI robot can keep you company. That's right, LG also brought out their self-driving AI home hub, itself a way of controlling all of the LG AI and ThinQ items in the home while also being a talking, roaming companion. Not only does it literally put a face to this technology, it also has a voice that uses generative AI to respond to prompts, answer questions, and even create whole stories itself based on drawings and pictures that are shown to its camera array. A child's curiosity and imagination can thus be limitless with this kind of tech companion at the ready. Now, further supporting this whole connected home is LG's main announcement at IFA 2024, and it was called ThinQ ON. This hub creates bridges between every single current ThinQ device and ones that you might already have in your home now to create a robust home ecosystem. Control can be done through voice as per usual, but AI both learns your general routines and adapts to all kinds of conditions to make sure that all items are running smoothly and efficiently. Set the oven to start cooking at a specific temperature later in the day. You could have the washer dispense just enough detergent based upon the kind of load that's being run, and you can get warnings if any parts need maintenance in a robot vacuum or a stick vacuum. All of it connects to the hub, which then provides all of the information in the ThinQ apps for a completely connected home. And with all of that kind of peace of mind when it comes to the utilities in the home, it's only natural to sit back and enjoy some entertainment courtesy of LG as well. And LG's most recent foray into the big screen experience has been in a tiny and beautiful package. Enter the LG CineBeam Q, presented with its own little fun activity.
And it wouldn't be a proper booth tour or visit without getting a bit of a freebie. I'm going to go ahead and get in line and do that right now.
It makes sense that LG made a keychain of one of their most design-forward products, as the CineBeam Q marries the looks of an art piece with the power of a fun projector. I actually have been using one of these for some time already, and I'm a fan because it's easy to travel with if I want a big screen to watch anything from YouTube to Netflix and more via the smart TV software. The stand that angles the projector up is also the handle for carrying it around. It might even be way smaller than any companion devices connecting to the HDMI port out back. I've definitely thrown one of my portable gaming consoles onto the CineBeam Q to blow things up to a bigger, even more enjoyable degree while on the road. But when it's sitting pretty back home, it looks good just sitting on a table or desk while not taking up much space at all. It's really just an elegant solution for a small space to feel like a proper home theater, since the projected image is of a great 4K resolution that can get up to 120 inches in size. I also really enjoyed that LG's demo area put one of their X-Boom wireless speakers right alongside it. They definitely pair quite well together, and the speaker exponentially adds to the sound experience. It's a cute, versatile little projector that is just as good at setting a mood as it is at adding to a room's aesthetic. You might have noticed as I was getting my picture taken to get the little keychain that the projector itself was being used to create the backdrop of my scene. The CineBeam Q was positioned a little off to the side and at an angle, but that was no problem as it has quick and automatic keystoning and image adjustment. That's what makes small projectors like this so fun. There are plenty of ways to take advantage of their little size and easy portability. There was plenty more at the LG booth at IFA 2024, but what was pretty clear in my time there was that LG is really looking to make their technology as approachable as possible. That's kind of the crux of the term affectionate intelligence. I think it's a great way of not only framing their smart home products, but it's also a great philosophy for how these pieces of tech should interact with each other and with us. There was so much going on that I didn't even get to the smart green home section, which showcased high-efficiency appliances including heating, ventilation, and air conditioning for the more macro solutions of the home. But stay tuned, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be getting a better look at all of that in the near future. And as an EV driver myself, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing more about their power and energy-saving solutions for the home. And so, there you have it, a tour of the LG booth at IFA 2024 and a look at their take on AI, or affectionate intelligence. To learn more about LG's smart solutions for the home and beyond, check out the links in the description below. Thanks again to LG for sponsoring this video and to IFA for having me out for the show again this year. But with all of that said, I'm going to go ahead and call it on this one. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again today. Please take care of yourselves and each other, and enjoy your tea, everybody.